Hi everyone, in today's tutorial we're going to be looking at the heat guide. We've loaded up Design Space. This is the first screen we will see, and as we can see over here on the left hand side it says heat guide. So we're going to be looking at how to use and access the heat guide. To get started we need to click on the heat guide. That has now taken us to the Cricut website, and here you can sign in if you've already got a login. You can choose your location. Ours is already set to the UK. You can get help, accessibility shop. So across the top there's also options that you can click on. So there's stories, there's different machines that you can select, the heat presses, accessories, materials and apps. For the heat guide we need to scroll right down to the bottom under products and it says heat guide. So we're going to select heat guide. That has now taken us to the options that we can choose. You've now got the option to choose which accessory you are using. So you could be using the Cricut Easy Press, the mini press, the mug press or the auto press. So for the example I'm just going to click on the Easy Press. Once you've selected that, you can then select the material that you are working with. So for this example we will just use glitter mesh iron-on. And now you have to set the base material. So that's the material that you are going to apply the glitter mesh to. So here we've got lots of options. And if I was going to do a t-shirt, which is a cotton polyblend t-shirt, I would make that selection. I'm clicking that I'm using the Cricut pressing mat because I will be. And then we just need to click on apply. This is give us the recommended heat setting that we need and the time we need to press it for the two materials that I've selected. So the iron-on glitter mesh and the t-shirt. If we scroll down, it gives us a bit of a step-by-step guide. So it shows you the supplies. So here we've got the Easy Press, the pressing mat, because that's what I selected, the iron-on and the t-shirt. It also tells us how to prep to get ready. So we've got to preheat the Easy Press and we're going to press the t-shirt just for 5 seconds and that will remove the moisture. Then it gives us instructions on how to apply the material that we're using and the pressing time and settings, and it even goes as far as giving us some aftercare on how to care for the product that we've made. This is great if you're either starting out, as you can choose there's lots of options for different materials, and if you're unsure on the heating settings then this is the perfect place to go and have a look. And also if you've got a new Easy Press or you've just got the mug press or the auto press and you're unsure of the settings that you can use, this is a great place to look, and these are Cricut's recommended heating settings for the materials and the accessories. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you again soon.